Hey guys, how are ya? Yeah, if you're watching this video, I guess your car won't start or something like that. You know, like you're in trouble. It just won't start. Something with the electrical. So I went to the supermarket, and that happened to me. I went, and when I was leaving, I wanted to leave, and my car wouldn't start. And my battery is new, you know, so I knew that the battery was not the problem. And then I started looking at all this bunch of YouTube videos, and you know, my car won't start, you know. And I'm telling you, man, a lot of people just talking a lot of nonsense, and you know, the fuse and this fuse and that fuse, and you know, so I'm watching until I came across this guy that he was very optimistic and, you know, just laughing and stuff like that. Like, hey, you know, let me tell you what happened to me, man. Yesterday, this happened to me, and the only thing I didn't do basically was what I was supposed to do. You know, that is something called a hard reset. He said a hard reset. Basically, you know, you just take off this cable right here, you take off that cable, disconnect those two cables from the battery, and then he says you cross them together, and I think he said that'll reset the BCM or something like that. You know, basically it's called a hard reset. And then, you know, just wait for a little while, you know, maybe a minute or something like that, and then boom, you plug it back in, and voila, you know, next thing I do is just, you know, go turn my car on, and my car turns on. So what I learned from that was that before I start investigating all this nonsense that I have no business whatsoever touching any of this stuff, I just did that hard reset. Disconnect the cables from the batteries, leave it out, cross them together. I don't know exactly what that means, and then just put them back and see if that works. Okay, so I hope this video works for you guys. Okay, thank you so much, and don't forget to give me a like over there in the YouTube if it works. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.